Imagine the electric atmosphere of stepping into a boxing ring, the anticipation palpable, gloves laced up tight, and the world ready to witness your journey. But beyond the surface spectacle of sweat and determination lies a realm of transformations waiting to unfold. Welcome to a captivating expedition where we'll venture into the heart of boxing, revealing not just its physical prowess, but the profound mental and emotional shifts it can ignite. So tighten those gloves, take a deep breath, and join me on a deep dive into the world of boxing, a journey that could redefine your life in ways you never expected. The dynamic realm of boxing has undergone a metamorphosis, transcending its traditional confines within the ring. Today, it beckons a diverse community, embracing novices and seasoned athletes alike, all seeking a more vibrant existence. Beyond its reputation as a combat sport, boxing has evolved into a holistic fitness regimen, offering an array of benefits that extend far beyond the punches. However, within this world of empowerment and growth, paradoxes emerge. The exhilaration of boxing is twined with a certain level of risk. In the heart of training, partners trade blows that can lead to injuries, especially affecting the central nervous system. This underscores the need for guidance from experienced coaches who can strike the balance between challenge and safety. For those who prefer a more cautious approach, the rhythmic dance with a punching bag provides the same heart-pounding experience without the associated hazards. Boxing. Beyond the ring. Envision a world where boxing isn't just a sport. It's a lifestyle that fuses strength, agility, and security. Modern boxing workouts create a safe haven where you can sculpt strength and flexibility without compromising well-being. Through a meticulously designed sequence of exercises, you're not just punching air, you're carving a better version of yourself. Benefits unveiled: heart health. The marriage of aerobic and anaerobic exercises in boxing offers a bounty for your cardiovascular system. Enhanced blood flow, expanded lung capacity, and the euphoria of endorphins coalesce to mitigate cardiovascular risks, setting the stage for lifelong heart health. Joint vitality. Aging brings its share of joint-related challenges. However, boxing's intricate movements gift your joints a chance to fortify themselves. By strengthening your limbs, you're building a fortress against fractures and everyday discomforts, ensuring your agility defies the sands of time. Coordination mastery. The world of boxing isn't just about punches, it's about choreography. The art of boxing refines your reflexes and coordination, demanding you to bob, weave, and slip with precision. This newfound dexterity extends beyond the ring, enhancing your rhythm in the dance of life. Muscle mastery. If traditional gym workouts have left you unsatisfied, step into boxing. With its holistic approach, every punch, every squat, every movement engages your entire body. Witness the emergence of lean muscles and a sculpted physique that broadcast your dedication to fitness. Banish body fat. Cardio meets strength in boxing, an alliance that vanquishes unwanted fat. As your metabolism ignites, you embark on a transformative journey of shedding weight and uncovering the fitter, more confident you. Endurance and stamina. Strengthened muscles and heightened cardiovascular function gift you the power of endurance. What were once steep challenges become mere bumps on your journey as you conquer physical trials with newfound tenacity. Stress buster. Yet it's not just about physical prowess, it's about emotional liberation. Boxing's aerobic exercises trigger a flood of endorphins, elevating your mood and arming you against stress. The boxing ring becomes your sanctuary, a canvas upon which you paint away your anxieties. So there you have it, a window into the transformative potential of boxing, not just for your body, but for your entire being. Whether you're stepping into the ring for the first time or you're a seasoned pugilist, boxing promises a journey of growth, resilience, and empowerment. Remember, you don't need to aim for championship titles to reap its rewards. Every punch, every skip, every moment contributes to a healthier, happier you. As we conclude this exhilarating exploration, bear in mind that the journey within the boxing ring is a journey to the heart of your own potential. So go ahead, lace up those gloves, face your fears, and rewrite your story. With that said, thank you for embarking on this transformative journey with us. Until our paths cross again, keep fighting for yourself, for your dreams, and for the extraordinary life that awaits you. Hoping everyone is having an amazing day. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this. Let us know down below in the comments for what workouts you would like to see a video on.